The sound of the nightingale's whistle stirred my intoxicated heart. Water and flowers together, with the flower of the eye's glance, and you, my master, my Lord and my master. How often a gazelle with a honey-colored hue has captivated me. I plucked from its cheek, from the kiss of the rose of shyness, and it said, enough, you have enchanted me. But it did not give me kisses, so it said, no, 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 then no, no, no. And it has become hurry, and the beautiful woman swayed with delight from the actions of this man. So she wailed and I wailed, woe is me, woe is me, woe is me. So I said, do not wail, and show me the pearls. When she saw him, gray-haired, who desires other than kisses, and after that he is not satisfied except with the sweetness of union with me. She said to him at that time, rise and strive with the transfer. And the young man gave me coffee like honey to me. I smelled it with my nose, sweeter than cloves, in the middle of a garden adorned with flowers and joy to me. And the old strum to me, and the drum to me. Drum, 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 drum to me. Drum, 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 drum to me. And the ceiling creaked to me, and the dancing slab to me. Roasted, roasted and sizzled on quince leaves. And the moon sang crying out from boredom in boredom. If you could see me riding on a scrawny donkey, walking on 3 legs like a scrawny gate, and the people upheld my camel in the market with stones, and everyone is making a racket behind me and around me. But I walk fleeing from the fear of the scrawny one to meet a king, great and revered, who orders me to wear a robe red like blood. I drag walking through it with a trailing tail. I am the most eloquent writer from the neighborhood of Mosul. I compose verses so ornate that literature itself cannot match. I begin with the sound of the nightingale's whistle, the sound of the nightingale's whistle. Stirred my intoxicated heart. Water and flowers together, with the flower of the eye's glance, and you, my master, my Lord and my Master. How often a gazelle with a honey-colored hue has captivated me. I plucked from its cheek, from the kiss of the rose of shyness, and it said, enough, you have enchanted me. But it did not give me kisses, so it said, no, 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 then no, no, no. And it has become hurried, and the beautiful woman swayed with delight from the actions of this man. So she wailed and I wailed, woe is me, woe is me, woe is me. So I said, do not wail, and show me the pearls. When she saw him, gray-haired, who desires other than kisses, and after that he is not satisfied except with the sweetness of union with me. She said to him at that time, rise and strive with the transfer. And young men gave me coffee like honey to me. I smelled it with my nose, sweeter than cloves, in the middle of a garden adorned with flowers and joy to me, and the oats trimmed to me, and the drum to me. Drum, 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 drum to me. Drum, 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 drum to me. And the ceiling creaked to me, and the dancing slapped to me.